This is the Attendant Wash Dry Fold ticketing how-to video. This attendant is using our new Wash Dry Fold ticketing system. First she'll log into the application. Next she's going to check in via the time clock. No attendant can do anything until they're checked in. Now that she's checked in, she's going to create a Wash Dry Fold ticket. First she'll enter the customer's phone number. We can enter partial number or the full number to look it up. I think she's going to enter the full number here. Hit search, brings up the customer, she'll select it, and then this Wash Dry Fold ticketing system, we manually enter the poundage. The poundage for this one will be 19 pounds. Here she is entering some extra notes. Maybe the customer wants an extra wash, they would like a particular type of soap. Can it be entered here? There's the price, 19 for 19 pounds. She can print the ticket here, or she could also email it. We can also print a few tickets at the same time, one for her and one for the customer. Although the system does track every transaction back to this Wash Dry Fold on the dashboard, it's nice to have a ticket follow around the laundromat with the laundry. Business as usual, she adds the soap, adds the fabric softener, and now selects her VEN level and extra wash that customer wanted. Goes to that ticket, scans the QR code for this machine, adds the extra wash, and proceeds to start the machine. Again, this transaction of this attendant starting this machine for this particular Wash Dry Fold is reported back to the application and also the dashboard for better Wash Dry Fold management. Next she moves over to the dryer. Exact same thing here, places the clothes in the dryer. Opens the application, opens that ticket, scans the QR code on that dryer, and simply adds the time. Hits submit, proceeds to start machines, and once again this transaction is now attached to this ticket with this attendant. Take a look at the reporting here for the Wash Dry Fold system on this particular ticket.